Hi guys, nandito kami sa Posta at kami ay pupunta ng Bostoria Hotel at kami ay merong ganap ni Dore Kikay. Ciao, yes. Dore Kikay! Mamaya na ulit! Nandito kami. At nandito na rin yung mga magagandang mommies. Ayan. Hello! Uy, ang ganda! So yun guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng hotel. Ay, ang ganda! Wow! Hello!
Hello!
Kakain. This is me. Ay, red ba to? Yung muna kami ganda. Mama mia.
Automatic pala to.
Nanaan mo naman si Dore Kikay, oh. Baka masarahang may plus mong sarili mo, Dore Kikay. Ang ganda ni Pastora. Hi. Hello, vlog. Vlog, di tayo mawala. Yung ganda. Final look na yan.
Somebody told me not to hope to find the woman of my kind. I don't give a damn you're talking to a man who's tired of being blind. We don't deserve to live in cages till the last breath of life. All I know right now is that she came like thunder in the sky. I'm freaking out every night. Give me your love and you'll always remember. Give me your love and you'll never surrender. Give me your love, give me your love.
Ang gaganda siya. Sa ate. Ay. Hi! How are you? Baby Tito. Thanks. Thanks.
But I know the risk of losing myself by trying to fail you so many times. They all left a piece of light, but it's yours, I want to see fly high. Cause anyone with me has all the right to dream away. Returning day by day.
Ang table, sa ating po mga bisita.
Sa table.
Ayaw ng ganitong gatherings, ganitong gawain para makapag-banding din tayo. Magkaroon tayo ng fellowship, hindi lang sa pagkain, kundi pati na rin ang
Yo! 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 Mistake. Guys, tapos na ang party namin ni Dora at Kikay.
Oo nga.
At uwi na kami. Antayin lang namin yung aming sundo. So, yun lang. Thanks for watching. Babush. Bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye.
Ang ganda pa rin ah. Hindi pa siya haggard ah. Oo, ang sexy pa rin ang lakad oh.
So, diba?
Ciao!